Well, let's see. The day after the election, and my understanding is we have elected our new returned president, President Trump. Deserves no less prayer or no more prayer than what we should have been praying for the previous president, President Biden. And certainly, if we see this as a victory for those of us that are conservative, and that has a very broad meaning, certainly doesn't agree with everything everyone says, but if we do, then there's a verse that I think we all need to take into consideration. It's in Proverbs chapter 24 and verse 17 and 18. I know we've spoken of it before. It talks about not boasting over the fall of another person. In other words, don't be so happy that someone else didn't do well, because the Lord may see it, and he may turn his attention from that person and turn it on to you. Meaning, God doesn't like for us to be critical, judgmental, mean-spirited, or even to think ourselves in any way or in any light better than another person. There's an interesting verse in Ecclesiastes chapter 20. I think we'll just take a moment and read that to you as I move my Bible over. But in verse 19 it says, "Wisdom strengthens a wise man more than 10 rulers who are in a city." So if I have the ability to put things into context and project as a result of what I've seen and learned and what I know of God. And it goes on to say, "Indeed, there's not a righteous man on earth who continually does good and who never sins." It goes on to say, "And also do not take seriously all words which are spoken, lest you hear your servant cursing you, for you also have realized that you likewise have many times cursed others." So let's just think about that for a moment. Just about everything that we are frustrated with in another person is in some way a part of our life. We're all fallen. And there's no one that's above reproach, totally above reproach. We've all made mistakes, falsely judged things, considered people to be oftentimes what is not a proper thought towards them. We're all, and every single human being, doesn't matter who it is broken in 1,000 different ways. And therefore, we look at each other, and hopefully through eyes of mercy and understanding that not everyone sees the world as we see the world. Not everyone understands as we understand, and God created it that way. He loves diversity, not diversity as in DEI, but diversity as in the unique aspects of human nature and people. And we need to appreciate others, even if we disagree with them. Still created in the image of God. So as we go into the next year, hopefully it'll be many of the aspects, the moral aspects of our country will turn around. But also, hopefully, we will reflect the character of the one who has the true capability. There's only one that has the capability to turn a human heart around. There's only one God who said in Ezekiel 36:26, "I can give you a new heart." So let's live that out. Let's be that person for others. Let's not be so excited about what we've gotten to the extent that we lose sight of our mission here on this earth, which is to be the salt of the earth and a light to those that are in darkness. Till next time, friends, God bless you.